Today we'll be explaining the muscles and joints used in basketball. We are focusing on three different areas, including dribbling, shooting, and dunking. We are looking at four joints involved: the hip, the elbow, the knee, and the shoulder.
As Orlando starts to dribble, his right shoulder hyperextends 45 degrees due to the contraction of the deltoid and the latissimus dorsi. While that's happening, his knees flex 75 degrees due to the contraction of the semitendinosus, the semimembranosus, and the bicep femoris.
In this image, the right knee extends 60 degrees as a result from the contraction of the rectus femoris, the vastus medialis, and the vastus lateralis. The left knee flexes 45 degrees due to the contraction of the semitendinosus, semimembranosus, and the bicep femoris.
When the ball is on the ground, the left elbow extends 170 degrees as a result of the contraction of the triceps brachii. Meanwhile, the right elbow extends 160 degrees to catch the ball and then flexes 90 degrees.
As Orlando begins to shoot the ball, his shoulder flexes 30 degrees due to the contraction of the deltoid and pectoralis major. Meanwhile, both elbows are flexed at 110 degrees, along with both knees at 60 degrees.
Orlando continues to flex the knees from 60 degrees to about 45 degrees due to the contraction of the semitendinosus and the semimembranosus.
His shoulder extends 90 degrees due to the contraction of the latissimus dorsi and the deltoid. As Orlando releases the ball towards the basket, his knee, shoulder, and elbow and hip are all extended to 180 degrees.
Orlando has to get a running start in order to dunk. Orlando's right knee is flexed 90 degrees due to the contraction of the semitendinosus, the semimembranosus, and the biceps femoris, and is placed in front of the left knee, which is extended backward 160 degrees due to the contraction of the rectus femoris, the vastus medialis, and the vastus lateralis.
As Orlando reaches towards the basket, the elbows are flexed at 30 degrees due to the contraction of the biceps brachii and the brachialis. The shoulders are flexed at 90 degrees due to the contraction of the deltoid and latissimus dorsi.
Once Orlando reaches the basket, his knees, elbows, and shoulders are all extended 180 degrees.